is wearing a black hooded sweatshirt. Yeah. Better Homes and Gardens drapes. And you're not going to believe what she just did. She's hanging on to a blanket now, but we don't know if it's going to make it into the basket. We're not sure yet. We're going to find out here in a minute. Nope, went back on the shelf. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just, he's putting the blender in the cart right now. Black jacket, tan shoes, black hair. He just farted, and I cannot believe I witnessed that. He's sniffing it right now. Yeah. You're not going to believe what just happened. There's a guy that I was standing next to, and he farted. All right, yes. Two ladies, two ladies, two kids in a cart, Christmas decorations. And one of them just let a fart. So, you need to, I'm telling you, you need to get down here. That's what he's looking at right now. Yeah, the stuff you keep your food in. Like the leftovers and stuff. I don't know, he still decides, like he's deciding on, you know, which ones or something maybe, or how many to buy, or... You're not going to believe what he just did. I was standing next to this guy, and he farts right in front of me. I found them, and they're eating ice cream cones. Looking at the toaster ovens. Took another lick. All right.
No?
We'll just wait and see where to go from here. Oh, he took another lick. And now he did too. That was a bite, more of a kind of a bite. They're enjoying it. And one just farted. Yeah.
Just missing.
One, I'm not sure which one farted, but one did. My shoes keep squeaking.